Eriongat loka Cradle of Hope Uganda. Nesda pedo ay ngarain ber Idwe uni. Kotom na tutbet na ko kapel. Otem lo kapel kira kotom na district lo ko kabir maido kireda akine. Lode rae filo fisali kamara kede eriongete lo. Emmanuel eyitu ngesta lim daebe. Eto jokasi kesi. Ageona berkeda kine uni kanukada korai ni dwe uni lu tete kenyini dio petka kese pera jerunda ibe jamu no kotom na jara kech ide jastrunga lwe podosi kanukes lwe jas dakinga
stereotyping besides the negative energy from the communities. We still believe that these guys can go and achieve. We still believe that these guys can become great people. Lazarus, Enoch wants to be a doctor. Mom, would you be me to be the doctor? Let's fulfill this dream. We can make this. We can make this happen. I know there are some friends that are going to start sending money just today. We have brought 3 goats. We expect them to give birth and have very many goats after and benefit them in the future.
Tunges de chore uriakolo kiduelu kanokada nyunda ebe akine no akora in kesunu kesi dario kojokan ido kunyanyaros teteken epedotre ayaun amuno kedapol kamada ejas iduelu.
We are able to reach them with a few goats, but this support is not enough. I have you, my friend. I don't give up on asking from you. It doesn't offend me to ask for help from you.
Tunges dalim daibe edinganges berekota gwo amon iwaitin lokada mona kanganache nada epedere atarkes aganga na kereda iduelu luda imoratos Enoch ochung Lazarus opolot nepepeked Amos erow keskere ngwala ido mameda epedrete alosit Uria kalu ke Idwe kalu ko Jairos ayuru nepepekede Michael ochung kesda poto lim tudaibe jas keskede Idwe kanyape konye kotom Idwe kanyape yare lusori tulo apono urnai kesda chut ejoka komamato rakeda ngwal